Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today, everybody? Today we come to the third week, and I would like to remind you that this week you will get the first task. Don't forget to do the task on time because it will influence the final mark if you do not do this on time. Well, in this week, we are going to learn about a topic, namely reading for detailed information. So, this kind of skill is different from scanning for specific information. How different both texts are? So here, the skill you would like to master in the end of the lesson is that you can find detailed information effectively, and also you will be familiar with some conjunctions and transitions. So actually you can read by yourself the definitions of reading for detailed information. And actually, reading for detailed information means information that is stated in the text and information that are not stated in the text. Don't forget to learn also about coordinating conjunctions, type of conjunctions here, on the slide, coordinating conjunctions and also subordinating conjunctions. And also you can read more this topic and materials by read additional source in enrichment 1 and 2 in these sessions. Well, maybe you can still continue to read and also answering the discussion questions to make you understand more about the topic. Thank you very much for your attention, and by watching this explanation video, don't forget to do the assignment and also the discussion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.